Jamaican. I grew up here. I probably will die here.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the show. If you would do me a favor and kindly take a seat right over there. Thank you, thank you, thank you. About to get this thing started. Come on. Yo. The General, peeking out a little on the avenue. Had to do hip-hop jazz to make it matter to people of the past and the children of the future. Couture and vintage and repping the district is obsolete. See the sounds worldwide. Sand in a jar make the stars wanna hide. Par for the course corrected. Sit and check this kid to a man with a crazy-ass necklace. Fakers and dysplexa poo. Wiped off a diaper lying next to you and smudged in your face.
I love this kid. I absolutely love this kid, and I hope you guys do.